Hola Timor-Este.
Thank you. Okay guys, so today we're gonna go sailing with Sergio and his uncle. So his uncle's gonna take us for a sailing. And it's my first time, guys, so that's his uncle right over there. You guys will meet him soon, okay? Hi! Say hi! This is Tio Nelson, guys. Sergio's uncle.
Nice to meet you.
He's gonna take us for sailing. It's gonna be my first time. I'm pretty nervous, but we're gonna be good?
Oh, we will survive.
Yeah, so we're basically connecting the boat to the car and then we go. I think you're ready to go?
Mm-hmm. Really careful. You don't drop it in the water.
Yeah, that's why I don't bring anything except my phone. My phone, I'm gonna put it in the car.
You can buy like something like
to hang it?
Hang it on your chest or something.
Oh, it's okay. I'll keep my phone in the car.
We were looking for the GoPro to bring, but we couldn't find it.
I have an old one, another.
Oh, that's good. That should be good, right? Next time? Okay. Okay guys, so we're literally on the way and I'm so excited, but I'm also nervous because one time Sergio told me that the boat flipped and they literally fell in the water, guys. So hopefully this time we don't fall. And guys, we are here. Look, there are so many boats. Oh wow. Oh wow, this is so refreshing. It's so beautiful, guys. Look. I can't wait to get in the water. What's the name of the place, Tio Nelson?
Bele Marina.
Oh, okay, thank you. I've never been here before. This is my first time.
Well,
So this is the place that you always come?
yeah, this is the closest place where we can go.
Oh, cool, cool, cool.
It's
Thank you.
nice. Look at it.
It's so beautiful. Feels so refreshing. That car just got out of the water. Oh wow. Okay guys, so before we go into the water, I don't know what Tio Nelson's doing right now, but I guess preparing to launch. And yeah, just Sergio and Tio Nelson working on this. I don't know, and I don't know what to help. So I'm just, yeah, videoing so you guys can see and we can learn all together. Hopefully next time I'll help. What's that?
This is the drinks compartment.
Oh, so all our drinks, we put it in here.
Yep. And anything else, it's the dry one. The other is the wet one.
Oh, that's cool. So if it's dry one, we can put our phone there?
I wouldn't do that.
Okay.
It's not about keeping it, it's about holding it. When you
Oh.
hold it, the bumpiness might make you throw it.
Okay, guys. We're not gonna like take my phone in the water, so we won't be able to vlog the whole thing. But yeah, next time hopefully. We were gonna bring our GoPro, but we lost our GoPro somewhere. So sucks, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys around. Warning: launching at low tide is unsafe. Oh, I don't even know what does that mean. Oh, this is what you have to pay, guys. Welcome to the bele Marina. So you go from here. There you go, guys. So beautiful. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe this. Like how? Oh my god. This is so cool. Oh my god, the vibe is so beautiful. It's so peaceful, guys. So if you guys are here in Washington DC or DMV area and want to find a place to go sailing, this is a great place, guys. Okay, I almost trying to go in here. Look, oh my god, it's shaking so much. Okay guys, that's it. I just show you guys a little bit of it because I'm gonna go back to where the guys are. Tio Nelson and Sergio, they are unloading the boat from the car, and then we're gonna come into the water from there, come in here. And yeah, I won't be able to vlog though because I am scared that my phone's gonna be dropped in the water. Like my phone is not water waterproof, so I can't vlog. But next time, hopefully, we will. Yeah, so that was the place that I have just showed you. I'm just gonna go back now. It's so beautiful, it's so refreshing. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. That's so cool. I gotta run. Oh wow, that seems heavy, guys, this thing. To Nelson, oh my god, I wish I could help. But I can't, I don't know how.
Did you close the trunk?
Oh, I guess I can now. Okay, gotta help out. Oh my god. There. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that was so scary, guys. Guys, it's so hard. It's not easy, guys. But they did it. What's that?
That's the sail.
Oh, that's a sail, guys. I have no idea what boat. Nelson's putting on his water shoes.
This is for the power. This is the block. So you tighten it or loosen it to get more power or less power.
Oh, power. Learning a lot, guys, from these two. Okay, guys, we're ready to get in. So we'll see you guys once we get out, I guess. Baby, oh. Oh, shit. Okay, it's moving. Do I need to come? I'm so excited, guys. My first time sailing, guys, in my whole life. My first time. Oh my god. You're literally going in there. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, guys, we're launching now. Oh my god. That's so cool. It's going into the water. Should probably go in here so you guys can see. ¿Qué pasa?
I need to throw you this.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm so sad.
Yeah, dale.
What does dally mean?
Well,
Okay. This is so cool. Oh my god. We're already in the water. Next we have to go inside the boat.
Does it have a motor?
I actually don't know. Oh, okay.
we lift the sail and
Just go
hopefully it doesn't pull us too hard.
Don't say that.
If there's no wind, we'll paddle.
Oh, okay. Baby, can I do that?
You know what you're doing?
I don't know. Just...
Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn it so it's facing that way, and then you're gonna get it close to the edge of there and tie it to one of the anchors.
You know what? That one does go like in one day to another. So you come back and do it. I suck, guys. Oh god. Okay, that's how he does it. Yeah, that makes sense. So it doesn't block the, or it's not in the way of other people trying to put the boat in the water. Good job, baby.
All right, now you gotta go put the stuff out back.
Okay. Okay, he's telling me to put the phone away and everything, so let's do this. Okay guys, so T. Nelson said I can take my phone, so it's unlikely that we're gonna fall in the water. So I'm gonna take my phone, and he gave me the plastic to put it in. Thank you, T. Nelson. Ready? Okay guys, I'm back. I'm using my phone. Serge is probably gonna freak out that I am bringing my phone.
Before the wind.
Do I sit here? Like right here?
Go over there first.
Okay. Okay. How do I balance? Can I hold on to this?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh,